In this video, we are going to discuss about 802.1x standard. So what is this 802.1x standard? If you see here, this standard is designed to enhance the security of the wireless local area networks that follow the IEEE standard 802.11 standard. And this 802.1x provides authentication framework for wireless LAN and allowing a user to get authenticated by the central authority. So the actual algorithm that is used to determine whether a user is authentic or not is left open for the multiple algorithms are possible and they are used by the central authority here. So 802.1x uses an existing protocol which is Extensible Authentication Protocol EAP, which is for RFC 2284, that works on Ethernet and token ring and here the wireless LANs for a message exchange during the authentication process here. And coming to the wireless LAN with 802.1x, a user known as a supplicant requests access to the access point known as an authenticator, so that the access point forces the user, actually the user's software, into an unauthorized state that allows actually the client to send only a EAP start message for authentication, and after the access point returns an EAP message requesting the user's identity, then the client returns the identity which is then forwarded by the access point to authentication server, which uses this identity and authenticate the user and then returns an accept message or a reject message based on it. And if you see that, assuming an accept was received from the server, then the access point changes the client state to authorized state and a normal traffic can now take place between the access point, and also you see the authentication server may use the remote authentication dial-in user service which is called Radius, although the 802.1x does not specify it clearly to use it. So this is about the 802.1x standard of the IEEE and how it is used in authentication the user and giving access of the user identity.